Harry Reifner. What do you see? Imagine looking at a box of crayon and seeing all the shades of gray, blue, and yellow, or looking at a traffic signal on which the red and green lights look very familiar. That's how the world can appear to someone with color blindness. They see the world differently than people with full color vision. Color blindness is the world's most common genetic condition, affecting more than 10 million people in the United States alone. Despite its name, though, color blindness is not color blindness. The color vision deficiency (CVD). Most people affected by CVD can still see some colors. CVD simply means the inability or decreased ability to see certain colors. Where do colors come from? It's easier to understand CVD when you realize that the colors are actually different wavelengths of the light. If you pretend to separate white light into a rainbow, you're actually separating it in different wavelengths. The red end of the spectrum contains longer wavelengths of light, while shorter wavelengths of light are at the purple end. Objects appear to be different colors because they reflect different wavelengths of light. A strawberry looks red because it reflects a long wavelength. If it instead reflected the soft wavelength of light, it would look blue. How color vision works. Humans see color because light is detecting cells in our eyes respond differently to different wavelengths of light. When light enters one of your eyes, the lens focuses on the retina, a thin layer of tissue at the back of an eyeball. There it activates light-sensitive cells called rod cells and cone cells. Activated cells send electric signals to the brain, where they are translated into images. Rod and cones. Rod cells are more sensitive cells in your retina. Now they allow you to see extreme dim light, but they can tell different colors apart. Cone cells are responsible for color vision. Each cell contains one of three different light-absorbing molecules called photon pigments, which detect blue, green, or red light. Combining these three of main colors allows these thousands of colors. When one or more of the photopigments aren't functioning properly, the CVD results. Different types of CVD. Red-green CVD. Red-green CVD, which causes difficulty when it comes to tell the difference between red and green. It's the most common type of color vision problem. It's hereditary, most often in white people of Northern Europe ancestries. It's also more common in men, which is a factor 1 out of 20, than in women, of which it affects only 1 in 200. Red reactivity is usually caused by defects in the green photopigment. Without the green photopigment, red and yellow objects near reddish in color. Defects the red photopigment also causes red-green CVD. In this case, red, orange, and yellow objects appear green or black. Other people with red-green CVD have trouble distinguishing color. They can still see clearly. That's because red and green cones have some overlap in the wavelengths of light. Their eyes can still detect incoming light even if one type of cone is missing or malfunctioning. Blue-yellow CVD occurred when the blue photopigment is not working or is missing. It's fairly rare, only occurring about 1 out of every 10,000 people worldwide, like red and green. CVD is equally common in men and women. Some people with blue-yellow CVD have no blue cone cells at all, which cause them to see blue as green and see yellow as violet or gray. More commonly, people with blue-yellow CVD particularly function blue cone cells. As a result, they have a difficult time telling yellow from red from pink. Complete CVD. Complete CVD is the most conserved form of CVD. It occurs when there are defects in two or more of the three types of cones. You might think that a single kind of cone would not be enough to enable all the color visions, but it's not. Brain was compared first color information from at least two different types of cone cells to identify colors. That means people who have only blue cone cells, for example, are able to see blue wavelengths of light, but they can't distinguish any colors. People who are missing two or more types of cones tend to be extra sensitive to light. They may also have difficulty seeing clearly, especially in bright light. That's because they have to rely on rod cells almost of all in their vision, and rod cells work in dim lighting conditions. Only about 1 of 30,000 people worldwide are missing three types of cones. People who lack fascination cone cells see the world in shades of black, white, and gray. Challenges of CVD. People with CVD may face some challenges. For example, they may have trouble reading colored coded information on maps, graphs, and charts. Children with CVD may have challenges with classwork, especially if the CVD has not been diagnosed. Red green CVD made is red, yellow chalk on the green board. All types of CVD made difficult to choose the correct colors for art and science projects. CVD can also cause safety issues. Fire hydrants or car warning lights and emergency equipment are often colored red or yellow to make them more visible. These bright colors may be obvious to those who full color vision, but are noticeable to those who with CVD. People may also have difficulty noticing sunburns, rashes, or undercooked meat without color vision. In some cases, CVD may be a factor when the person chooses what career to pursue. Some positions, such as geologist or commercial airline pilot, require full color vision. Other careers, such as interior design, photography, food inspections, are slightly more challenging without it. Still, people with CVD can usually work around those challenges to succeed at almost any job. Testing for CVD. The Asherah test is the most common test for red-green color vision problem. It uses an image of stars that are different sizes and colors. People with full color vision can see the number or shape inside the picture. People with red-green CVD may find it difficult or impossible to identify the hidden symbols. Other similar tests are used like yellow-blue CVD. Tools to help people with CVD. Currently, there are no known cure for CVD. However, modern technology has led to the development of many new tools to help people with CVD. Smartphone apps perform tasks such as identifying colors, recommending complementary colors. This can even help people choose matching colors to tell which foods arrive at the grocery store. Some smartphone apps can only identify colors with the user snaps a photo, but others can analyze them in the camera's viewfinder without requiring the user to take photos first. This lets users identify colors in real time. Researchers have also created high-tech tint lenses that filter out specific wavelengths of light. Special sunglasses that use this lens allow people with red-green CVD to distinguish between the two colors. Treating CVD. Although no true treatment for CVD currently exists, that may soon change. Recently, scientists were able to find a workaround for red-green CVD in squirrel monkeys. Monkeys lacked the red photo equipment. As a result, couldn't tell the difference between the red and green. Researchers engineering especially constructed viruses to insert red photopigment gene into the monkey's green cone cells. Within about 20 weeks, treated monkeys could distinguish between the red and green dots. This was exciting news. The monkey had lived with CVD since birth. Many doctors and scientists have predicted that it would be impossible for them to see in full color because their brain would not have developed the connections needed to interrupt color information. This connection usually develops when an animal is young. Knowing that we know that CVD can be worked around adult squirrel monkeys, there are hopes the people who want full color vision too. Living with CVD. CVD is a fairly common condition that can be inherited by anyone. Perhaps you or someone in your family has CVD. If not, you probably know someone who does. Detecting CVD early can help people understand and adjust to what they are seeing. For CVD as some challenge to certain activities, most people with CVD get along just fine. They may see the world a little bit differently, but that doesn't stop them from having rich, fulfilling lives.
Good job! Could